The eggshells and newspaper will mix in with the worms, even the soil, so like the worms can also compost it.
We're trying to prove if sending some Eosinophytidas, which are red worms, to microgravity will be able to compost food waste.
It's special because we get to see if like they can compost, because we never seen them compost in space.
This was actually one of the most unique experiments that we had. We gave them a lot of ideas, and there were lots of different amazing ideas, but I thought this was one of the most original.
I was like thinking we should do something with worms.
We read that almost all ISS astronauts eat their foods, but not completely. So they store it in a room, and like by the time it's gonna take more space. So then Siklali added that, like, isn't it like most important, like make more space for tools, equipment? So then that's where we said, how about composting?
It's been a really incredible process that we went through. It's one of the first times, I think, where students have been really authentically doing their own science, because they're designing their own experiments, they're coming up with their own ideas, they're doing their own background research.
We work together by assigning each other like to Google something, search something, write something.
And they were working after school and during their recess and spending a lot of time editing, and they still are working really hard on it. So it's a really nice testament to the hard work that these students put into the proposal.
We just tried our best to give our best and work.
We were meeting with the families of these students and with Miss Ball, who is the teacher who's going to take them to D.C. this summer.
It's so excited because like we get to go to Washington D.C. to my film, to the place I really wanted to go.
Features indigenous communities from the south, the tip of South America, to the very, very top.
So it's a really big trip, and I think the longest that they've been away from their families. So we're making families feel comfortable with the trip and showing them all the little logistical things so that they feel comfortable sending these guys to the Smithsonian to present their work.
It's very awesome. It's like a very special opportunity for us to show other people what we believe in.